Hello, this is Zorro from Zorro's Tech, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 10. Now I'm going to have two versions of how to install Windows. The first one is of course with a bootable USB drive, and the second one will be to actually clone your current hard drive to a one with higher capacity or with the same capacity, but to install in a different computer, or even in the same one. If you want to install like a more space, you can reinstall in the same computer or laptop. But yeah, this is going to be a two-part video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is of course open the browser, any browser that you want, Google, Paik, and go to Google, type Windows 10 and the creation tool. You want to start Windows 11, is the same thing, you just type Windows 11 instead of 10. Click the first one here, and we're going to go down all the way here to download, create Windows 10 installation media. Once it is downloaded, just click open, click yes. Wait for it. Accept. Now at this point you can connect your USB drives. Now here, don't choose the first one, choose create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. Click next. Here make sure to uncheck this part here, and here you can select the language, Spanish, whatever language you want. Now you can only select one language, you cannot select like two or more than two languages. So yeah, if you want different languages, then you will have to create different USBs. But other than that, here you can choose whatever language you want. Of course I choose English. Then here I don't know why it says which Windows edition, just one. Here in architecture you have the option for 64 bits and 32 bits or both. Now I am going to choose 64 bits, but you can choose either one of the three. If you choose both, you're going to have the 64 version and 32 version. Click next. Now here choose USB flash drive. Click next. Here I have, it shows me a lot of this, but I already know that these two are my 1 terabyte hard drives, and this one is my USB. Just make sure you choose the correct one, because it is going to be formatted. Click next. Then you just have to wait. Now this is for you may be slower or faster, it depends how powerful your computer is or your laptop is. Now unfortunately, to create a USB flash drive, you will need a Windows computer, or you can download the ISO file. But again, I'm not sure if you can install the Windows creation tool on a different operating system like Linux or Mac. I haven't tried those. I do have a Linux computer somewhere. I may try that, but I doubt it. So now you can just wait and wait and wait. I'm going to pause the video here and resume once it is almost complete. Okay, so now it's 90%. We just need to wait a little longer and we should be ready. Okay, we are at 90%. It should be over almost. Yep, okay. It is done. Just click finish. And now you can remove your USB drive. Once if you plug it in back, it should appear something like this with a setup PLC. Now if you have an old version like a Windows 7, you can just take this USB and click setup, and it's going to it's going to do like an upgrade, and you don't have to uninstall the operating system and all that stuff. So all your files and everything is going to stay there. I may show you the process on a different video, but I'm not sure. I don't have a Windows 7 device, so now I'm going to show you how to do a full clean version install of Windows. So yes, it's going to say something like that, and in this case it's going to give me options to do stuff. F9 to put a different device. Now if you compare may say something else. Press F10 to boot to a different, to choose a bootable device. This is here. I'm going to choose USB. Don't forget to plug it in. Okay. What? That was strange. Okay, finally boot. I have no idea why it took that long, but you should see a screen like this. It's going to give you the options here to change the language. Okay, so click next. Install. Now it's going to ask you for a key. If you don't have a key, click I don't have a key, but if you do have a key, make sure you put it in here. If you have an old Windows laptop from before, you can choose the hard drive. You see the sticker? That's the key. Okay, that's bad. Okay. Wow. I have no idea what happened. Oh, okay. Yep, it went back to normal. Now I do have the keys on the back thingy, but I won't be using it for now. Later on you will have the option to set up the key again to enter the key. Now here is going to ask you which version of Windows you want. If your computer was Windows 7 Home, you need to make sure that the Windows you're installing is Windows 10 Home. Just click Next. After choosing your version, click Accept. Click Next. Now don't do an upgrade. You're going to do a custom installation. Now you see here, if your hard drive is new, there's going to be only one of these, but because we have reinstalled Windows on this one before, it's going to show up like this. So if it shows like this and you're 100% sure that you want a clean version of Windows, you have to do this. Don't do format. Well, technically you can do format, but so it's going to stay the same because you're just formatting the partition. So in this case I'm going to delete all the partitions that I see here. All partitions. Now here you want to delete two. Yes, delete. Now it becomes one. So you click Next. And that's it. All you have to do now is wait. Go. English, of course. United States, of course. I said English. What type of keyboard? US layout. Skip. Okay, this is the important part. Do not connect to a Wi-Fi. Just click here where it says no internet connection. See here, if you connect to the Wi-Fi, it won't let you continue. It will make you create an account. Click here again. Continue with limited setup. Name. Password, no passwords, click Next. Turn off everything. No, I'm not interested. Turn off location. I don't want to share my location, so turn it off. No, off. Oh, it doesn't matter. Just a moment. Hello. Okay, so after everything is done, Windows should be installed. Press install of Windows. Almost there, it should be there already. Yep. Okay, now yes, I know the display looks strange, but we can fix that. So go to display settings, sorry, right click display settings, and right there. I don't have internet, remember? Yes, it recommends this, but this is the native resolution. I don't know why it's recommending that. It should be fixed with some updates too, but you can change it manually. Click next. And here I don't want those big icons, so click on right click, then click on view, then small icons. There, they should be fine now. Click to, if you want, I think you can make this one. Oh, right. Now, because we didn't activate Windows earlier, this is what happens. You are limited to what you can do with the taskbar and the settings too. Oh, okay, never mind. It used to be locked. So now we're going to connect to the internet. Okay, so now click on the loop thingy, search update, check for updates, minimize it, and go to here, click search for activation settings. Oh wow, well, okay, Windows is activated with digital license. Wait, it is activated? What? Yeah, right, they don't have a record of the purchase key. So yeah, that's it. Apparently Windows it is activated. So you just need to wait for the Windows updates. And it's going to have a lot of updates.
Been going back to back.
There we go. Now the display is going to show the proper pixels. It should show the proper pixels. What's going on? Yep, now we're talking. So yeah, that's it. All you have to do now is wait for the updates, and you're good to go.
I don't say nothing, I'm on go, I don't stay long.
Alright, I hope this video helps you out installing Windows 10. I don't know if it is going to help you or not, and I'm sorry for just babbling around words, unnecessary words, but I am tired right now.
That's an A1.